My name is Laura Campbell, and I'm going into my 4th year at Colorado State studying conservation biology in the Warner College.
My name is Lila Abdurrahmia. I'm currently a 2nd-year student at CSU. I'm in Warner College, and I have a major in ecosystem science and sustainability and a minor in sustainable water. The Siegele Internship is a program funded through the Colorado Natural Heritage Program. It is organized for about 25 CSU students, mostly from Warner Natural Resource College. It has a bunch of different natural resource programs and projects that have come together to create opportunities for students to explore different careers and projects within environmental science.
Throughout the internship, we were given the opportunity to be a part of several different areas within Bird Conservancy. We helped out with the Mexican spotted owl crew. We got to do NRCS training. We helped out with beaver restoration projects, coast monitoring restoration, conservation easement monitoring. We got to see the MODIS towers. And within that, we got hands-on experience and got to actually be a part of the project and help out. So we got to basically enhance our skill set very largely.
The habitats we worked in during this internship vary extremely widely. We started off up in the alpine forests near Netherland for our Mexican spotted owl project, and then we were down in natural areas in Fort Collins that were mostly composed of grasslands. We worked out in the Pawnee grasslands. We worked in the wetlands of the South Platte River out east. My favorite part of the internship was getting to know all of the different people at Bird Conservancy. It was very interesting to see how they started working at Bird Conservancy and their roles in the organization.
Everyone at Bird Conservancy was very kind and taught us everything, and I really appreciated listening and getting to learn from all of the private landowners. We went to a lot of beaver restoration workshops and got to hear about just different things that they're doing on their land to conserve it. And we also got to witness Ashley from Bird Conservancy talk to a private landowner that is on an easement. And so I just got to learn a lot about the combination between agriculture, conservation, and conservation. I feel like I can confidently lead a group, and I can confidently hike up a mountain. I can confidently use my navigation skills and not be worried that what I'm doing is wrong. And if I am, I can ask questions. And I feel very ready for the real world, per se.
From this internship, I feel much stronger, both mentally and physically. The amount of physical work it took during this internship was immense, but I feel very confident in my abilities to deal with uncomfortable situations. I also think that I've become more flexible with changing activities day to day. It's easier for me to not get stuck in a schedule and be able to just go with the flow and see where each day takes me.
I would tell them that it is 10 out of 10 the best experience that you're going to get in your undergrad. You gain huge amounts of skill sets that you're going to need for your future career in just 2 months. I can say that I now can do point count surveys. I can do just all different kinds of surveys and restoration monitoring and just everything that I've always dreamed of doing in just a short period of time. I can say that if you're looking to get a career in natural resources or just sciences in general, that this internship will give you the field experience that you need for your future. Bird Conservancy has definitely opened my eyes to all the different career options. I have always known that I want to work with birds, but wasn't really sure what department or what path I wanted to take. And now I am certain that the stewardship and education team really aligned with what I want to do in the future. I was aware of the organization as a whole, but did not know the vast different projects going on and how involved in the community Bird Conservancy is. And so now I am very aware and lucky to be able to have worked with them. I think we both want to give a huge shout out to Marion for coordinating all the different projects for us and giving us this opportunity just to learn from every different person from Bird Conservancy. She was a huge help throughout this communication-wise, and she was wonderful to work with, and we wouldn't have been able to have this experience without her.
Thank you, Marion.
Thank you.